Assalamu alaikum. 10 deeds for a happy married life. Do you want lasting happiness, peace, and sweetness in your married life? Many people try but fail. Islam has taught us some priceless deeds which, if practiced daily, bring blessings, harmony, and joy to the family. Let's discover the 10 deeds that can make your family life truly happy. Number 1. Faith and Taqwa, God consciousness. The first step to peace in family life is strengthening your relationship with Allah. When you remain honest, righteous, and avoid sins, your heart stays calm. A peaceful heart brings good manners at home, reduces conflict, and fills the house with respect, love, and happiness. Number 2. Good and kind behavior. The greatest way to maintain peace at home is through kindness and good manners. Even small gestures, a gentle smile, or soft words can make relationships sweet. Treating your spouse with patience and humility reduces misunderstandings and builds strong love and respect in the household. Number 3. Giving gifts and bringing joy. To increase love and happiness, occasionally give small gifts or make each other happy. These little moments create lasting memories and deepened affection. Remember, true gifts are not only material things, but sincere actions from the heart. Number 4. Praying daily. Regular supplication is essential for family peace and blessings. Dua is not only asking from Allah, but also seeking comfort through trust in Him. When you pray for your family daily, tranquility descends upon hearts and homes. Number 5. Patience. Disagreements are natural in family life, but turning them into major fights destroys peace. Patience is the key to a happy marriage. Staying calm during anger and solving issues peacefully strengthens the bond and deepens love in the household. Number 6. Forgiving each other. No human is perfect, and mistakes will happen. Holding on to mistakes weakens relationships, but forgiveness brings lightness to the heart and strengthens love. Forgiving means giving a fresh chance to rebuild the bond. Number 7. Regular Salah and worship. True peace in family life comes when everyone turns to Allah. Prayer and worship not only earn Allah's pleasure, but also calm the soul. When a family prays together, Allah's blessings descend, and anger or grudges fade away. Number 8. Fulfilling each other's rights. A successful marriage is built on fulfilling rights and responsibilities. When spouses neglect duties, the bond weakens, but when they honor each other, love grows stronger. Respect and balance make the home like a garden of Jannah. Number 9. Giving time and attention. Earning money and fulfilling responsibilities are not enough. True happiness comes when you give time and attention to your family. Listening, understanding, and showing empathy strengthen relationships and reduce misunderstandings. Number 10. Remembering Allah and repenting. Everyone makes mistakes, but the way back is through turning to Allah. Reciting Quran, doing dhikr, and repenting purify the heart, reduce anger, and bring blessings to the family. When husband and wife both remember Allah often, mercy and happiness descend upon the household. Family life is a beautiful responsibility where love, patience, and mutual respect bring happiness. If we live with awareness, remember Allah, forgive each other, and care for one another, our homes can become gardens of Jannah. A happy married life is not built only on wealth, but on sincerity, prayer, and love.